Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to add signature in Gmail. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in Gmail account and then you see setting icon. So click on it and then you see all setting. So again click on it. Now setting open and we are in general setting and then scroll down, find signature and then you see signature, no signature. So we are going to create new. So click on it and then you see name new signature. So you can add signature name and then click on create. Now new signature created. So you can add information according to your requirement. So we added some information in signature section. If you want, you can add image or you can use any option here. Now you see bold, italic. So you can add information according to your requirement and then you see signature default for new email use. Now select and if you want, you can use on reply and forward. So it's up to you. So we select and then you see save changes. So click on it. Now loading. Now setting saved and now we are going to compose email. Now you see button. So click on it and then you see new message open to subject and then you see signature we added in Gmail. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.